Hi guys,
welcome back to our YouTube channel. So last time we tried chai from different places and today we are back with another video. We both love street food.
And today what we're going to do is we're going to try a few different Desi street food places. Some of these places that we're going to visit today, we've been several times. We really like their food, and then some of them are going to be places that we're going for the first time as well. So chale, let's go.
Yeah, let's go.
Oh, by the way, what's your favorite Desi street food?
Oh, I love pani puri.
Oh, that's a nice one.
Yeah, what about you?
I really like kachori, but I have not been able to find good kachori anywhere here in the GTA. So maybe if someone knows some good kachori places, they can recommend to us. Yeah.
Yeah, let us know and let's go.
Yep, let's go. Okay guys, so the first place that we're going to is Bollywood Unlimited. We've never been to this place before, but we've heard that they have really nice pani puri. So let's go and try it out today.
Okay, so there's Imran Khan, Diljit Dosanjh here. There's Amir Khan, Shah Rukh Khan and Salman Khan. Okay, so the pani puri is here. Let's try. The pani is too good. बहुत मजा आ रहा है.
Okay, so my turn to try now. Just gonna fill some of the stuff in here. Okay, this was really good. I'm gonna have one more. That's one for the bloopers. Okay, so that was really good. It was our first time trying out this place, but we absolutely loved it.
Yeah, and we're definitely going back there again. So where are we going now?
Let's go try some pakoras.
Let's go.
Okay. Okay, we're at our second stop now. We're going to Cha Shah, and we've been here several times. We absolutely love their pakoras. So let's go and try them one more time.
Let's go.
I don't like using any chutney, so I just go in right away. So crispy. Very nice. Okay, so we're back in the car now. We were eating the pakoras inside, but we couldn't really, talk too much there because there were people around us. So we thought we'd come into the car and give you some of our feedback as well.
So we are not happy. We're disappointed because it was never like this, right?
Yeah, I think they've definitely changed some stuff up. Like first of all, the quantity is less. There used to be
too less,
a larger quantity. And then also the quality. Like I remember it used to be really crispy, really thin, but now it's just, not as good as it used to be. So we're really disappointed.
Yeah. So where are we going next?
I think we should go to one of our other favorite spots, and we have a lot of different items there that are really nice. Hopefully their quality is still good. But we're going to a place called Rahat Bakery. Some of you might have heard of it. So let's go.
Yeah, let's go, and we're gonna try their samosa, patties, and let's see what they have. And yeah, let's go.
Okay.
Okay, that is our next spot. We're going to Rahat Bakery and we're gonna get some samosa, some patties, and maybe a chicken drumstick. So let's go. We have got our stuff. Let's see.
Okay, excited.
Okay, so you try the patties.
Okay, I'm gonna try chicken patties here.
Do you want
napkin here?
Okay.
What are you trying?
I'm gonna try the samosa.
Oh, interesting.
Let's see how it
You
goes.
want a napkin as well?
Yep. Thank you.
Okay, let's go for it.
Yeah, let's go for it. Still no aloo, but I'm getting to it.
Yeah, same. I haven't got chicken yet, but it's coming eventually.
Yeah. But I'm so happy that we could get all of these things here
Mm-hmm.
so easily.
Now I've got some of the chicken. And it's
Oh wow.
very nice. Not sure if you can see, you know, there's nice filling of chicken in there.
And aloo.
Very nice.
Amazing. And we also got chicken drumstick.
Yep. So that's actually our favorite item here.
Yeah. I mean, the samosa is also very good. And it's not even that expensive. How much is it for?
I think the samosa is $2.
Yeah.
The chicken patties is $3.
And the chicken drumstick is also
chicken
for $3.
drumsticks that we got. They're, I think, the best thing that they sell.
So
that's
good.
also for $3. We always come to Rahat for, you know, our snacks whenever we feel like
Yeah.
having some desi snacks.
And you also get imli chutney with the samosa. And if you don't get, then do ask for it. I think that really complements the samosa.
Yeah.
But let's try the chicken drumstick.
Yeah, let's put this away for a
Okay.
bit and let's try the chicken drumsticks. Maybe let me with this as well. Yeah, this is definitely my favorite item from Rahat Bakery. So
Mine too.
try this and show you guys.
Okay.
Ooh, this is looking really nice.
So
and,
good.
and they were out of chicken drumsticks, so we asked them to make us a fresh batch.
Yeah.
So these are very fresh, very hot.
We waited 10 minutes, but
Yeah.
it was worth it, I'm sure.
But I think we're gonna enjoy it. So let's try it.
Let's try.
Okay.
So good.
Excellent. Amazing. Remember when you asked me earlier what my favorite
Yeah.
street food is? I think it's this now.
Yeah, I mean, I also really like it. But I think pani puri for me is still like the best street food item. But yeah, this is my second best here. And now I think we have tried all of the items that we wanted to try. Or is there something left?
I think there's one more thing that I was thinking of,
Okay.
and that's going to be like in the meetha category.
Oh.
So I know there's a spot here that does faluda.
Oh,
And
okay.
definitely, you know, whenever you think of street food, faluda
Right.
is something that you would think about.
That is so
So
true.
before we wrap up, you know, we just try and have a little bit more of this chicken drumstick, and then why not have some faluda before heading home? Okay.
Okay, let's do that.
Okay, let's do that.
Now we are going to Yaroka Adda to try their faluda. So let's go.
Okay, so this is our last item for the day, and we wanted to end with something meetha. We
Yep.
decided to go with faluda. We went into Yaroka Adda. They asked us which flavor faluda we wanted, and we really didn't know. They said they had vanilla, strawberry, and mango. And I asked them, you know, what's the best one out of them, and they said mango. So we went with mango faluda. And then after buying it, we realized they've put ice cream inside of it. So basically, they've used mango ice cream. So
Yeah.
that's why, you know, they were asking
Okay,
us
now
which flavor.
try and tell us how it
Yep.
is.
So I'm gonna try.
Is it good?
It's very thick. I didn't get anything yet.
Oh.
5 minutes later.
I'm still not getting anything. I'm not sure how to get some stuff. How to get this into the straw. Is there something wrong with this?
Okay, let me also try. I'm excited. I'm not a big faluda fan, but
Sorry about that.
I love mango, so let's see how it is.
Let's go.
Okay.
I like it. I like it a lot. Did it work? Okay. Yeah, it's hard to get done with all of that. Did you like it?
It's good because it's not that sweet. I like it. It's nice.
Okay.
Okay, so that's about it. These were the places that we wanted to try, and I really like that we have a lot of different street food options here. And if there are any other places that you guys would like us to try, then comment below and let us know. And thank you so much for watching. We'll be back soon with another video, and until then, bye.